How to fix mobile hotspot not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone's hotspot won't turn on or won't connect, if it keeps disconnecting, you can try these simple fixes step by step. First thing you can do is restart and toggle your network. For that, you can restart your phone by pressing your power button. Keep holding on it and you'll find this pop-up menu. Tap on restart and you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds or so. Tap on it, and after 10 seconds, just go ahead and turn it back off. What it does is it's going to refresh your network connection. Then go ahead and toggle on your mobile hotspot. Once you have done that, it should turn on your mobile hotspot without any problem. Then what you can do next is check mobile data and network type. Make sure that your mobile data is turned on while trying to use or give out hotspot from your device. From there, you can switch your network to 4G or 5G. Go to settings, tap on connections, and then mobile data or mobile networks. Then make sure that your preferred network is selected to 5G. Once that is done, you can also reset hotspot settings. For that, go back and go to more connection settings. Find your mobile hotspot here. If you don't see it, go to hotspot and tethering. Go to mobile hotspot and reset all of your settings from here. Once that is done, you can also check for updates on your phone and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.